What if I told you that in the heart of Tokyo, one of the world's most bustling cities, lies a relaxing retreat? A place where the sounds of the city fade away, replaced by rustling leaves from over 100,000 hand-planted trees. Today, we'll experience two very different sides of Tokyo. The quieter traditional side contrasted with the vibrant modern urban culture. We start our day with the Meiji Jingu Shrine and finish it in the tight, restaurant-filled alleys of Shinjuku. In between, we explore Nakameguro, a lesser-known neighborhood where we discover a stunning art gallery, local shops, cute cafes, and even a Beatles-themed pizza shop. This is the kind of day you can only have in Tokyo. But we can't head out on an empty stomach, so...
I got a chocolate croissant in our very well-stocked hotel bakery.
Yeah.
And Becca got
a little croissant bun that I've already started eating because I can't help myself. And then we grabbed a bus that conveniently took us to the Kitosando Torii entrance of the Meiji Jingu Shrine. Dedicated to the spirit of Emperor Meiji and his consort Empress Shokin, this shrine was originally completed in 1920. Its construction was a national effort which included planting over 100,000 trees to create the beautiful forest that now blankets the shrine. A lot of Japan's shrines are free to enter and collect money through selling various fortunes, figurines, prayers, or other unique elements to help fund them. We couldn't film the fortune and prayer areas, but here's how it works. So we just got a fortune here in the temple. It costs 100 yen, and there is a wooden box with a small hole. So you shake the box, tilt it, and a small stick will come out of the hole with a number on it. I had 14, and then there's a little chest of drawers with the corresponding numbers on it. So I pulled open drawer number 14, and I got my fortune. With our newfound knowledge, we decided we needed all the help we could get.
So we got an amulet from the amulet place. We figured we'd cover our bases and get divine protection.
Feeling a bit bolder, we continued on to the Meiji Jingu Garden, a separately ticketed, though totally worth it experience. And make sure you stroll through the surrounding area, as you never know what you'll come across depending on the season.
There's a wonderful collection here of bonsai trees, and if you're wondering if they're real, yes they are, even though they look like cute little miniatures. The houses and people aren't real though, so wouldn't want to mislead. So now we're entering the Meiji Jingu Garden, which is originally a separate compound, but then it became part of the state, as things do for the emperors.
This is the Kakunte Tea House, built by the order of His Majesty the Emperor Meiji for Her Majesty the Empress Shokin in 1900. But the building was burnt down during the war, so it was resurrected in the autumn of 1958 in the present location. Oh, we have to go over there.
Yeah. So we're almost all wrapped up at the shrine, and it was really beautiful. The garden is really beautiful. Highly recommend. You definitely should check that out. So now we're gonna go to Shinjuku and get some coffee. But before that, there's this really cool spot here that we just realized we haven't seen yet. These sake barrels are wrapped in straw. Actually, every year they're donated by different sake producers as a kind of show of respect and thankfulness to the memory and the grace and virtue of Emperor Meiji and his consort, Empress Shokin.
After an early morning on our feet, it was time for a coffee break. We found this one-of-a-kind cafe. It's called PAP Coffee. It's an acronym for Paper and People. A big group entered right before us, so it took some time to get our coffees, but it was totally worth it and gave us time to figure out the rest of our day.
So we had a quick change of plans. We actually managed to snag some tickets to Team Lab's Planets for tomorrow, which is in Ginza. So we're gonna skip doing Ginza today. And instead, we're going to the Nakameguro neighborhood, which is sort of like the arts district, I guess. Is that what we're calling it? Design art?
Like a little bit bohemian, a little bit artistic, a little bit hip, something like that.
So we're going to a pizza place. Apparently, really good pizza here. I know it's kind of funny, but it's called Seirinkan, and it's like a steampunk pizza.
But they also play Beatles tunes. I heard about it on podcast The Ride, and I'm excited to check it out.
And we both got the margarita pizzas. They look delicious. They're kind of personal size, and for reference.
After lunch, we made our way to the Sato Sakura Museum. This is a small contemporary museum that celebrates the beauty of Japanese Nihongo paintings, with a special focus on cherry blossoms as a reoccurring theme.
It was really beautiful. It was awesome to have just a change of pace and also visit a local art gallery here in this beautiful neighborhood. They had a lot of depictions of sakura blooms, which we also have in Toronto, so it was very comforting and awesome to see that. And then they also had different panel works of different flowers that bloom throughout the year. So I picked up a couple postcards of some of my favorite pieces. We've been seeing a lot of chrysanthemum plants today, including when we were at the temple. So I had to get that one. And this was one of my favorite pieces. The moon was represented in a lot of the works as well, and I personally love the moon because I think it looks really cool and beautiful. So it was really awesome to see that represented in so many of the paintings alongside all the flowers. So highly recommend the gallery. It was only 3 floors, so just, I don't know, you can spend probably like 45 minutes there or so to an hour. And yeah, really just nicely designed space as well, of
really
course.
Beautiful space.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna say.
So highly recommend the spot. We've actually found this via a guidebook that I've been reading called Hidden Japan, and it's part of an art walk that we are on. It was the first spot, so I'm curious to see where we're gonna go next.
Yeah, it's a really lovely guidebook, illustrated by a Toronto artist as well, I believe.
Yes,
So
Justine Wong.
yeah, you should definitely check it out.
Yeah.
Needing another energy boost for the afternoon, we found this small cafe with a really unique interior aesthetic. We tried to locate its name online, but unfortunately couldn't find a single trace of it. Throughout this trip, we get to visit so many amazing cafes, each more charming than the last. We'd love to know your favorite cafe in Japan for our next visit. Drop it in the comments. Now, back to our art walk.
We are now at the Meguro Sky Gardens, which is right up there. And this is like a big interchange where two kind of highway interchanges come together. And it's a pretty impressive piece of engineering, as you can see. But up top, there's a huge 1 3/4 acre park full of spindly pines and beautiful cherry trees.
Yeah.
Standing down here, I mean, it looks cool, but it's hard to imagine. So let's go check it out. So on a clear day, you should be able to see Mount Fuji right about over here. But alas, today is not a clear day. So now we're gonna head back and explore a little bit of Nakameguro, hopefully check out some shops and things.
We're suckers for a good stationery shop, as you may know from our Montreal video. After a few wrong turns, we finally found Traveler's Factory. There are locations around the world, but this was our first time visiting one, and we definitely left with our coin purses a few hundred yen lighter.
So one of the things about this area is that a lot of the stuff is really hidden away, like that travel shop we just went to. So it can be a little tricky to find things. And there's definitely a lot more food options, and the stores are sort of like more sprinkled away behind things, I think.
There were a lot of stores on the river when we were walking from the Sakura Gallery, but a lot of them are like fashion retailers and they look quite expensive. So as beautiful as they are, not quite what we were looking for, I think, today.
We did, however, find this Nakameguro Tsutaya Books outpost, which has a really fun interior, almost like a cafe, shop, bookstore, maze concept. And not too far away was Brick and Mortar, a playful interior home goods shop with an eclectic mix of items.
Wrapping up in Nakameguro, and then now we're gonna head to Shinjuku, which is near our hotel.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go try to find a spot to eat. We're going to an area called Omoide Yokocho, which is supposed to have like a lot of small traditional eateries and sort of like grilled skewers and stuff. So we don't have any specific place in mind, but let's go walk around and find something. We were trying to find a little bar here, but we're kind of getting hungry and antsy, and nothing was like standing out, so.
No, it'll be nice to be closer to our hotel at the end of the night, and we haven't explored Shinjuku really at all, so it's nice. It's not too late yet, and it's like comfortable to walk around still, so let's go get some skewers.
Let's go get some skewers! We made it.
Oh, it's steaming. Oh, it's hot. It's too hot. It's too hot.
So we got a set of 3 chicken skewers of different types of chicken meat. And Becca got...
Deep fried rice bowl, I believe.
You're a deep fried rice bowl.
Thank you. Oh, grilled rice bowl.
Yeah, just for reference, this place has also a small cover charge. So I don't know if that's like all of these places, but it's $4 per person. And there's like a minimum order kind of thing, so people don't just come hang out needlessly.
Our grilled chicken skewers came with a chicken ball, chicken thigh, and skin. That's how it was listed. So let's take a bite of the chicken ball first. That's really tasty. Like, the soy sauce that it's in is awesome. And it's kind of just like a little, like a meatball, but chicken. So very tender. It's great.
We just finished up having our meal, and I think we're gonna go explore the neighborhood a little bit and then maybe loop back around for another round of skewers and beers. I don't know. See what happens. We're looping around Hotel Gracery. This is the hotel that has like a Godzilla head hanging out. We have yet to spot it, but this neighborhood is a vibe. I think we're pretty happy that we're staying nearby, but at a much quieter area by the park.
We did finally find the Godzilla head, which, while fun to spot if you're in the area, isn't worth going out of your way for.
We did a loop around Shinjuku and decided that we had our fill, and we're gonna head back to our hotel to kind of call it maybe a bit of an earlier night, but also we're gonna check out the hotel bar. That area was fun, but it was like a little too chaotic and not much that we actually wanted to kind of see or check out. Our hotel bar looked really awesome, and we haven't had a chance to hang out there yet. So I think that's the plan, right? We just came across Pac-Man being played on a building. No big deal.
This is actually the Tokyo Night and Light Show, which projects artwork on a 48-story building, making it the largest permanent projection map show in the world. A delightful surprise to discover on our way back to the hotel. We settled into the beautiful hotel bar and finalized our plans for the next day. Before we show you a sneak peek, please give this video a like and hit subscribe to join us on our next adventure. In the next video, we experience a sensory overload on our last day in Tokyo. We explore over-the-top flagship stores in Ginza, try sushi and unique snacks at Tsukiji Fish Market, and end the night at the incredibly fun Team Lab Planets, a surreal immersive art experience that we can't wait to share with you.